Hello everyone, my name is Mansi Chauhan. I study in class 8. Today I am here to share my views on the topic Independence Day. India is a free independent country that got its independence on 15 August 1947. But behind the story of this independence lies a vast history of sacrifice and struggles of our brave sons and daughters who fought for the country independence until their last breath. 15 August Independence Day is celebrated annually to remember the sacrifice of our freedom fighters. At this day, educational institutes organize different programs by hosting the tricolor flag of India. At the first time, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru hosted India's flag on the Red Fort, and then India celebrates Independence Day all over the nation. Thank you.
Honorable Principal, respected teachers, and my dear friends, my name is Divyanka Pandey. A very happy Independence Day to all of you. We celebrate Independence Day as the national festival of India. The day marked as the anniversary of national independence from the British Empire on 15 August 1947. Furthermore, it is the most auspicious day for all peoples of India because India becomes independence after lots of hardship and sacrifices of the brave Indian freedom fighters. From the day onwards, the Independence Day is become most important day in Indian history and the heart of all Indian. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Principal, respected teacher, and my dear friend. I am Jia Thakur. A very happy Independence Day, all of you. India, a free, independent country that got its celebrate 15 August 1947. All Indians feel proud celebrate Independence Day 15 August every year 1947. Irrespective of the caste, creed and religion, everyone will celebrate Independence Day as an honor to the nation. People across India will observe Independence Day as a festival of all. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Honorable Principal, respected teachers, and my dear friends, my name is Navin Sharma. A very happy Independence Day to all of you. The Indian feel pride to celebrate Independence Day on 15 August, which every year. The Indian got freedom from British ruling in 1947. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
I am Dr. Vinesh Kumar. On the behalf of all the students and teachers of Kids Science Academy, विशिंग यू ए वेरी हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे। आप सभी को मैं डॉक्टर विनेश कुमार किड्स साइंस एकेडमी के छात्र छात्राओं अध्यापिकाओं की ओर से स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक बधाई और शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। जय हिंद, जय भारत।